Good afternoon. How y'all doing? We are camped out here in the Coconino National Forest, Flagstaff, Arizona. It's right before you get to Walnut Canyon National Monument. And we went there last winter, well, last spring actually, and it was cold. But I'll put a link up here in the corner to that video. That's a beautiful place. Fantastic. And this is nice out here. If you don't like red sand, you may not like it here, because this is like a red powder. Gets on everything. And the wind blows like you wouldn't believe. However, it's awfully calm right now. It's beautiful. You can see the snow-capped mountains over there. That is Mount Humphrey, the tallest mountain here in the area. And you can see, I mean, it's a beautiful, beautiful place. Nice and quiet. I can hear the hum of our generator. And I do believe our neighbor is running his also. But there's lots of camping out here. Lots. Yep, we like it. Nice blue skies today. Like a high of 75. Very nice. Very nice indeed. We've got... Here comes the wind. Ooh. But it's nice to have that breeze. It is very nice. And this is right off of Interstate 40. You turn like you're going down to Walnut Canyon, and then you turn to the left. It's the last turn before you go into the monument. You turn to the left, go down that road, and then we're about 3/4 of a mile, somewhere along in there. Not a mile yet, down on your left. It's awesome. Hear the coyotes at night. And boy, let me tell you what, it is dark out here. I love it. Love it, love it. Look what we found. Free water at the Speedway in Flagstaff. They also have a dump. And I do believe the dump is free also. Woo-hoo! Yeah, gas prices are reasonable. But this is the service station here. It's right off of Country Club Road. Sweet. We're about to fill up the bladder. Got a long hose. Got the filter on there. Yep, we left the truck running because we got Lily with us and we don't want her getting hot. It's a little warm today. So it's right here when you come in the drive and you pull in. That car just left, and you pull in here. It's right here at the front of the store, right here with the vacuum in the air. Pretty nice indeed. Some of them what?
Different ports. Some of them have the dump, they don't have the water.
Oh, some have the dump and some have the water. And some, like this one, have both. Woohoo! And we are filling up. Yay! Awesome. Okay, you want to get your propane tanks filled? You come to Feral Gas. It's right off of US 89, up from the Safeway. And it's like $1.99 a gallon. That's awesome. And look at the view. Look at the view. Pretty sweet, huh? So, Feral Gas. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. Playing with Lily. Yeah.
Refrigerator must have come on.
There's the moon. Wow, the moon's coming up. Give me a second. And the sun's going down. What a gorgeous evening. Wow.